Welcome back, roaming family. Today we have a special treat for you as we explore the stunning Hibiscus Villa at Couples Sans Souci Resort in beautiful Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Get ready to be amazed by this luxurious suite and all the amenities it has to offer. Thanks to our good friends and travel business partners, we're so excited to give you this exclusive tour of this luxurious villa. So let's step inside and take a look around. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted by a spacious and elegantly designed living area and master bedroom. The bright and airy atmosphere, coupled with the stylish decor, creates a perfect blend of modern comfort and Caribbean charm. This closet is huge. Don't worry about overpacking. There will be plenty of space for everything. The bathroom here is like a personal spa. It has a double vanity and a walk-in shower with two heads, offering the ultimate in relaxation and comfort. And just look at those amazing views. With large windows offering panoramic vistas of the ocean, you'll feel like you're in paradise every moment of your stay. Can you imagine waking up to this view every single morning? I bet you this is where you would spend the most of your time, soaking up the sun, taking a dip in the pool, and just enjoying the tropical paradise that is just here, just for you. Even experience a gourmet private dinner hand prepared by one of Couples Sans Souci's renowned executive chefs right in the comfort of your villa. And the best part, staying in the Hibiscus Villa gives you complimentary access to all spa services and treatments. Imagine indulging in a massage or a facial, all included in your stay and in your own private spa area. Want to take a shower while enjoying the sunset? You can, right here in your outdoor shower. But the luxury doesn't stop there. You'll also enjoy private airport transfers from Montego Bay, access to Club Moby VIP departure lounge, and in-villa check-in. Everything is designed to make your stay as seamless and enjoyable as possible. So whether you're lounging by the pool or having an al fresco meal, the outdoor space of this Hibiscus Villa offers a perfect blend of relaxation and pure luxury. We hope you enjoyed this tour of the Hibiscus Villa at Couples Sans Souci Resort. This place is truly a gem in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. If you love this tour, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to join our roaming Roundtrees family. If you're ready to book your stay in this incredible villa, email me at krountree@dreamvacations.com for a quote. You can also use the link tree in the link above to get further information. Thank you for watching.